Cool mug, Brian.
Hey, appreciate it, man. I just started a new skidding regimen. I appreciate you noticing.
You're wearing it well. So somebody stole the limbo stick out of the pass-through of my Model G the other day. Just makes me wonder how low can some of these campers go.
Know why you can't run through a campground?
What's that?
It's past tense.
So I'm really enjoying the upgraded roof on my Brinkley RV.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I've never owned a shingle roof like it.
So the tires in the old Model I were acting up the other day. Said they were under a lot of pressure.
You know, I gotta think the plumbing system would be Santa Claus's least favorite system on an RV.
What was that?
The water pump switch. It's always on the Nautilus.
You used to be pretty terrified of bonfires, actually.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, I warmed up to them.
So you got the new upgraded chill cube on your Model I?
Nah, unfortunately I don't, no.
Be a lot cooler if you did.
You hear about kidnapping in the woods?
No.
You woke up.
So called the Brinkley Parts Department the other day.
Oh yeah?
Told them I need one of those metal things up front that connect the A-frame to the tow vehicle.
Yeah.
She said, do you need a coupler? I said, no, just one will do.
Magic.
Nice!